आप भी हेयर एक्सेसरीज से उतना ही ऑब्सेस्ड हैं जितना मैं हूँ? इफ़ यस, देन टुडेज वीडियो इज़ फॉर यू गाइज ओनली। आज इस वीडियो में मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ हाउ टू DIY योर ओन हेयर बोल्स, scrunchies and even some cute hair clips. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Also, please hit that subscribe button. So let's start with hair bows. These are the things that you will need. I'm just going to use a square piece of cloth. I'm so sorry, ये cloth piece थोड़ा camouflage हो रहा है मेरे background के साथ. Please bear with me, it gets better, trust me. Anyway, मैं edges को clean करने के लिए थोड़ा glue कर रही हूँ. But अगर आपके edges clean हैं, then you totally don't need to do this step. Then I'm just gonna go and fold this fabric into half, just like this. And फिर मैं उसको भी glue कर दूँगी. You can also use Fevikwik if you don't have glue gun. उसके बाद you have to fold it in this way. And then you can again use glue gun, Fevikwik. So after you have achieved this little rectangle thingy, now all you have to do is cinch it from middle ताकि वो bow का shape बन जाए. And उसके बाद उसको अच्छे से fix कर लो glue gun के साथ या Fevikwik के साथ. Then take a similar fabric and cut a strip like this and just kind of glue it like this. Now there you have it, your hair bow. Now all you have to do is glue that hair clip to the back of the hair bow. Yeah, that's pretty much it. One thing I want to tell you, if you're using hot glue gun, make sure that you don't burn your hands. I have literally burned my hands so many times doing this video. So please take care of that. Anyway, now let's do a hair scrunchie. So I have linked the measurements for this one. So just take a piece of fabric like this one, then glue it in such a way. We just need a strip of fabric for the scrunchie, so make sure that. I'm just going to cut the leftover fabric, and after that this is what I got. So now I'm going to flip it inside out. So for this you can also use a safety pin just like I did. उसके बाद मैंने इलास्टिक को भी उसी तरह से पास करवाया. End में I just knotted the elastic and उसके बाद I kind of moved the fabric around और उसको बाद में glue कर दिया. And this is how it turned out to be. It's pretty cute, trust me. You can use different fabrics, you can use velvet, shimmers, or whatever you want to. You can also add a piece of fabric like this one. So for this particular DIY, I will be using some pearls, shells and some flowers. So I'm just going to take a hairpin now and put the glue on. You can also use Fevikwik again. So now I'm just going to fix these shells and that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple and I really hope that you kind of also try these out because they look absolutely adorable and super cute. So now I'm just gonna do another with pearls and yeah. So yeah, that's about it. Now lastly I'm just gonna do this flower one. And now we have very cute hair clips at a very affordable price. So yeah guys, that was about it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this cute little video, and if you do, make sure you hit the subscribe button and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.